Hello, Dandelions. We have been reading Bear Snores On, which I will read to you now. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, can you howl?
Howl!
And the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itsy-bitsy mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. It's lit a fire.
Wow.
The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Can you pop some corn? Pop, 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 pop. Can you brew black tea? House sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps.
Bah.
But the bear snores on.
Look at my big butt.
That was very loud. And they nibble and they munch. Oh, have I missed a page? I've missed a page.
Oh
We might
no.
miss some of the story. I will go back. Here we are. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. You season the stew with some salt and some pepper.
I know something that we should put in. Jelly beans.
Oh, jelly beans in a stew.
Yeah.
I wonder what it would taste like. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. I wonder how they are feeling.
Cold.
Cold, maybe nervous. And the bear wakes up.
Hey!
Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, how is he feeling? You've snuck in my lair, and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew black tea. Bear gulps, bear goggles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on.
That's the funniest part. Hey, Tom, I was going to
And
say,
1 minute, just
That
wait
is
1
the
minute.
end of that story. Hope to see you all soon. Bye!